Hello everyone, I am Uttam, pursuing my BTech from Lovely Professional University. Today we will be solving a question in which we have to remove the middle element of any given input. So with the help of stack. So let's suppose that we have given five numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have to remove the middle element, that is 3. So the length of the input n equals to 5. We will be doing this with the help of stack. So basically what we'll do, first of all we will run a loop. So the run loop will be run from index 0 to index n by 2. That will be 2. This will give us greatest integer. So we will run a loop in which the top two elements of this stack will be transferred to another stack. Let's say another stack. We transferred 1 by 1 1 and 2. So now there are only three elements in this stack, 3, 4, 5. Then we will apply an operation on this stack, will be pop. We will take 3 also outside. With the help of pop, we took 3 outside, and now 2 elements are left in this stack, that are 4 and 5. And then we will again transfer the elements from this stack to this stack, 2 and then 1. So now here we had 1 and 2. And after popping from this main stack, we were left with 5 and 4. Now we will again put the elements of this stack into this 2, 1. So we have a stack in which 3 is not, as we have removed it. So now as we are done with the concept, now let's dive into the code, how to code this problem. So let's first of all define a function named remove middle, in which we will take a stack as argument or input, we can say. Now first of very basic condition, if not stack, if there is nothing in stack, then we'll simply return if we don't have anything to do. So now diving into the next, first of all we need to find the length of stack. Yeah, and as we discussed that we will be taking first two elements out of the main stack, and that will be done, and that those elements that we took out we will store in another stack. Let's create that auxiliary stack, an empty stack. And so as we have done with the empty stack, so now let's take the elements, range by 2, auxiliary stack dot append fantastic stack dot. So here we have taken the elements from the main stack named stack and then appended them in the auxiliary stack that we created as a temporarily variable storage. Then after taking these two elements out, we are left with stack.pop. So now here we just popped out 3 that we have discussed here. First we transferred these two elements and then popped out 3. We just coded that only. So there are two elements left in the main stack that we created here, that we kind of passed as argument 4 and 5. So now we will transfer the two elements that we stored in auxiliary stack back to the main. So while auxiliary stack dot append stack dot. So one by one, the elements are again stored into the main stack. So we are done with code. So let's test it with an example. Let's say we are taking a stack named my stack and putting values 3, 4, and 5. In this example, we are implementing stack with help of list. Here we use list. So stack can also be implemented with the help of list and linked lists. So in future examples, we will be watching how to implement stack with the help of linked lists. In this example, we are doing it with the help of simple lists. So here we will get print. What to print? Original stack. That was our my stack. Now we will implement the function that we created. Remove middle and we will pass argument my underscore stack. Now again we will print stack after removing middle element, that is my underscore stk. So now we are done with the code. Here we took input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we call the function that was made to remove the middle element that we have coded earlier. And now let's run our program. So here original stack was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stack after removing middle element 1, 2, 4, 5. So that was the question. Thank you.